Hello, Shelly. I'm Andrew.
I'm Connor.
I'm Zach.
And this is our Servite EIR.
So the introduction, we want to seek approval from the City of Anaheim to A, construct and operate a lighted aquatic center, to reorient and light the existing baseball field, and replace the existing lights on the football, soccer field and with modern lights. We're also requesting approval of a variance for a reduced front yard setback along Keystone Street. We want less parking. There's less parking required by code, so we want maximum wall height, and also a tentative parcel map to consolidate the 5 residential parcels along Keystone Street into the main school campus property.
The location, Servite High School, is located at 1952 West La Palma Avenue in the city of Anaheim in Orange County. The city of Anaheim is in north central Orange County and surrounded by the city of Fullerton to the north, the city of Buena Park to the west, with Cypress, Stanton, and Garden Grove to the south. Regional access points are from Interstate 5, the I-5 via Brookhurst Street to the west, Euclid Street to the south, I-5, and then interchange is about 1.9 miles west-northwest of the school, and then from State Route 91 via the same 2 roadways.
Project description. For the aquatic center, we're going to construct a new set of lights, bleachers, pool building, locker room, equipment room, storage room, and concession stand. For the baseball field, we want to reorient the existing field with a home place at the southwest corner, construct a new building along the southern property line housing team room, new storage, new restrooms, concession stand, metal bleachers with a 460-seat capacity, 30-foot fence along the right and left corner edges of the baseball field. And then we also want to construct a 10-foot wall along the southern and western property to attenuate noise. They want to relocate music and wall height buildings on the site of the existing swimming pool in the central part of campus. For our mitigation for geology and soils, the impact, will it be located on an expansive soil, creating substantial risk to life or property? The mitigation, the project geological technique investigation would assess expansion potential on the on-site soils and would provide any needed recommendations for reducing hazards from expansive soils. The hazards arising from the expansive soils would be less than a significant impact.
Our next thing we went into more deep in was our hazards and hazardous materials. So our impact, we thought, will it create a significant hazard to the public or their environment through reasonably foreseeable upset and accident conditions involving the release of hazardous materials into the environment. So our mitigation was all project construction and operation workers would be trained on proper use, storage, and disposal of hazardous materials. During both project construction and project operation, the project would maintain supplies onto for containing and cleaning small spills of hazardous materials. Project personnel would request assistance from Anaheim Fire and Rescue immediately in the event of a release of hazardous materials larger than on-site personnel were able to contain and clean up.
And then lastly, for noise, the impact is, will there be a substantial permanent increase in ambient noise levels in the project vicinity above levels existing without the project? And then the mitigation is, the City of Anaheim Municipal Code prohibits sound at a property line of amplitude 60 decibels or greater, and construction noise is exempt from this prohibition during the hours of 7 a.m. to 7 p.m.
That would be our project.